I'm going to be teaching you guys about illegal moves and how to avoid them in your games. Oh yeah, everybody knows. But then I'll see one of you guys taking the king when you're playing a game of chess. And are you ever allowed to take the king? No. All right, so we're gonna go over this real quick. I know right here, there's a many different checkmates. This is checkmate. This is checkmate. This is checkmate. This is checkmate. There's probably a couple more. You know, there's lots of different options for checkmate that I just showed you. But in this situation, Chocolate, he was a little silly. He went right here and says check. Now, there's one move in this position that's legal for vanilla. I'm not asking for it right now. But I do want to go over the fact that in a lot of games, a lot of you guys might go like, you might miss that there's a rook over here and just go right here. And then Chocolate might yell out, checkmate, and take the king. Are you ever allowed to take the king?
No.
Is vanilla ever allowed to put their own king in danger?
No.
All right, so if you were in this position and vanilla went like this, what would Chocolate tell them? Take the move back and make a different move. This is an illegal move right here. Because, yes, because even though the king got out of danger of the queen, they are not allowed to put their king in danger of the rook. The same applies for here. They're out of check from the queen, but the knight can see them, so they're not allowed to make that move. Not allowed to go here because of the rook. Not allowed to go here because of the knight and the queen. And so the only legal move for them in this position is to block with the pawn. And now, of course, it would be checkmate after the fact. But the game ends right here and not when, for example, Chocolate just makes vanilla makes a random move and Chocolate takes back like that. The game would immediately end upon checkmate. So let me get you guys another example real quick. Let's send this pawn skydiving. Let's get Chocolate another bishop. And let's put vanilla a bishop right here. All right, so in this position, Black does the same move. You know, once again, this is checkmate. This is checkmate. This is checkmate. This is checkmate. Is this checkmate? Yeah, this is checkmate too. There's so many checkmates. But in this position, once again, Chocolate was a little silly. And he put the queen right there on d6 again. I know the bishop can take the queen. I know a lot of you guys are smart already. You see the best move and the only move. But I wanted to go over this because I see a lot of kids do is they don't see that this bishop's here. They know they can't do the other ABCs of getting out of check. You can't block. They might just move their king out of the way. And then Chocolate, yeah, you can't do that. But then they do that, and then Chocolate just yells out checkmate and takes the king. Are you ever allowed to take the king?
No.
So what do you tell vanilla when they move their king to?
Redo your move.
Redo your move. That's illegal. So then they go back, and I don't know. They can't go here, can't go here, can't go here, can't go here. Exactly. The only move in this position to get out of check is to take the queen. You can't be making illegal moves because if you make an illegal move, then it's not chess anymore, and we're here to play chess. Yeah, it's the chess club. It's not the chess but with illegal moves club. Now, what should we do if we want to castle as soon as possible? There's two right options.
You would want to move the bishop.
All right, yeah. We got,
And you can move the knight.
and that's the other option, so we'll get to that in a moment. Let's say Chocolate gets their knight out. Now vanilla gets their knight out. Chocolate also brings their bishop out. And now, it's not, oh yeah, it is copycat.
Yeah, they are copycatting.
Maybe next week I'll teach you guys how to punish someone who's copycatting you. Not this week. Oh yeah, there's that trap. That's one way. That's one way to punish a copycatter. But in this position, vanilla can just castle by moving 2 squares over, and then the rook moves to the other side. Chocolate can also castle. But in this situation, let's say Chocolate doesn't castle yet. He goes here. Maybe vanilla goes right here.
You couldn't even develop the queen so early because it will be trapped.
That,
That's really bad. And it couldn't even move forward.
this is just all hypothetical, guys. I'm just getting the pieces out of the way to show a way that Chocolate can castle.
So easy. I know a trick.
All right, so in this position, Chocolate could castle like this by moving the king over. But instead of doing that, Chocolate decides he wants to get fancy today. He wants to castle queenside. Can you guys say castle queenside?
Castle queenside.
And it's done the exact same way. the king moves over 2 squares, and then the rook jumps to the other side. You guys got to be careful because sometimes I'll see you guys playing out games and stuff, and I'll see you guys do this. Is that right? No! That's king moves over 3 squares. Pretty much a good rule of thumb is that if you're castling, you're either going to end up on the C file or the G file, unless you set up the board wrong, in which case you might have to set the board back up again.
And play again.
And play again, that's right. All right, let's say if vanilla went right here, can black now castle? All right, what about if the queen moved right here? Can black castle?
No.
Who thinks yes, raise your hand. Who thinks no, raise your hand. Who thinks you can castle queenside though? Who thinks black can castle queenside right now? Black can't castle at all. She's right. Black cannot castle at all because black is in check right now. And you're never allowed to castle out of check. You also can't castle, say this queen's gone. We're not gonna send it skydiving anymore. Let's say the rook went here, vanilla went right here, and black went back right here. Can black castle right now?
Wait, yes. They can.
How can black castle right now? Don't show me, tell me.
They can castle by moving the king here and this going there.
Yep, that's right. Even though this rook has moved, and so therefore this rook can't castle anymore, the king has not moved, and this rook has not moved. So we can still castle queenside. And let's pretend this rook's never moved, all right? This rook's never moved anymore, so we're gonna put it back there. Now, if this rook goes here and then back there again, can we castle kingside? No, this rook's never moved. Can we castle kingside?
Yes.
If this rook has never moved, can we castle kingside?
Yes.
Oh, wait, hold on 1 second. Now can we? All right, cool. Sorry, I forgot to remove this rook, my fault. You guys thought I was tricking you when really I just, I forgot about the rook. All right, this is Coach Riley. We're at Lincoln Elementary in Torrance right now. And I went over legal moves and illegal moves because I've seen a lot of people taking the king in chess, and that's just never allowed. Like, I actually saw one of them had just taken the king right now, even after I gave the lesson. So I'm really just trying to drill it in their heads. Don't take the king, checkmate the king.